Without a doubt, the world has gone digital, and the king of this digital society is the phone and its accessories. Looking for a stylish and current accessory to go with your phone? Or are you trying to find the ideal present for a pal obsessed with mobile accessories? Well, we have compiled a list of 10 amazing phone accessories you can get. Stick with me till the end as I dive in. Both the cell phone and the smartphone accessories that truly make the phone smart are essential for everyone. Finding the ideal plug and knowing which phone accessories to buy is not a task for novices, but we've got you covered. Number 10. Spigen cases. The first item on our list is Spigen cases. Spigen produces many cases that are compatible with almost all Android smartphones now available. Their cases are extremely fascinating. Whether you are looking for an extremely thin or more robust case that can withstand some harm, Spigen has the cases that will satisfy your needs. In addition, Spigen cases are quite reasonably priced. Most can be purchased for less than $20. Number 9. Moft X Foldable Cell Phone Stand. The Moft phone stand is the way to go if you're looking for a portable stand for your smartphone that is both comfortable and exquisitely designed. Oddly enough, you won't even notice that this stand is there as you work in great comfort while using your gadgets. Your smartphone will not be weighed down in any way by this accessory. With the help of this Moft X phone stand, you will be able to take advantage of optimal viewing angles for your mobile device, ensuring that you are really comfortable and that the content you view will be crystal clear. It will be wonderful to go about your daily affairs without worrying about using your hands to hold your phone upright. Amazingly, this small $19.99 stand still has space for up to 3 cards. It combines the best possible phone stand with a wallet to bring you additional ease in your daily life. It also has a magnetic sticky pad, which makes it simple to continue using your phone even when you have a lot of other things going on simultaneously. Because of this, it will be possible for you to stick your phone in the kitchen while you are cooking, in your car while you are driving, or even in the bathroom while you are taking a bath. Number 7. Shuttermoon Phone Camera Lens 5. Don't you believe it's important to save all of your precious memories for later excitement? So you should always have a camera on you, right? Wrong. All you need is a dependable camera phone and the Shuttermoon Phone Camera Lens kit to get the job done. You won't have to stress about how you're going to carry them everywhere because they're so easy to carry. Take the kit out of its case whenever you get the urge to take a picture of a fleeting moment and attach the universal clip to the camera on your phone. The exquisite qualities of the lens will completely alter the natural splendor of the surroundings when you look through it. This kit provides everything you need to create any kind of picture you could possibly imagine. It excels in all types of photography, including selfies, sports games, party crews, concerts, portraits, to macro and close-up shots, costing only $27.60. Number 6. WonderCube Pro, a cool smartphone gadget. The WonderCube Pro is, as its name suggests, a wonder in every sense of the word. All of the necessary mobile components have been gathered by the company into a single 1cc cube. A charger, memory backup power, phone stand, data cable, and torch are all included in this device. To make it simple to carry, they made it into a keychain. It was first developed for Apple phones, but it is also now compatible with Android devices. For $35.95, this little device is perhaps the best all-in-one smartphone accessory available. Number 5. IoT Ion Wireless Fast Charging Stand. The IoT Ion is an excellent wireless charger that can be purchased for $39.95. It is wonderful not only because it has a really lovely appearance, but also because it can be used as a stand. The fact that the IoT Ion's fast wireless charging is actually somewhat slow is the only drawback associated with this product. It allows for up to 7.5 watts of power, a lightning-fast speed a few years ago, but several smartphones now charge at 10 watts or 15 watts. So if you decide to get it, I suggest keeping it by your bedside and using it at night, where time spent charging is irrelevant regardless of how long it takes. So far, it is at 100% when you wake up. That is all that matters. Number 4. Ampula Mini S Bluetooth Speakers. The portable Bluetooth speakers from Ampula are unique. With the included bike mounts, you can use them while riding a bike. In addition, they come with armbands, so you can wear them when you exercise or jog. Since they are magnetic, you may attach them anywhere, including to a pole outside or the fridge. When it comes to the places that you can go with the Ampula Mini S, you have a lot of different options. The reliability of the battery life in portable Bluetooth speakers is always a significant problem. However, Ampula's backup is actually rather good. An 8-hour continuous playback is amazing. The best part is that it will only take half an hour to charge it completely. These speakers offer a lot of value for the price you pay for them. Number 3. Razer Kishi Gaming Controller for Smartphone. Razer is known for producing some of the most innovative and cutting-edge technology products. The company's products range from laptops to accessories for smartphones. The Kishi Mobile Game Controller is one of the company's products selling quite well. The Razer Kishi is extremely attractive, portable, and compatible with Android and iPhone. The best part is that this accessory can be purchased for $44.99. The Kishi controller can be folded into a more compact size, making it much simpler to transport. It is powered by the energy already in your smartphone, so batteries are not needed. In addition, Kishi is equipped with a USB-C port that can charge your phone while you are using it to play games. Its functionality is fairly similar to that of other smartphone controllers. It has 11 buttons and 2 directional pads. The Razer Kishi controller can be purchased from Amazon for $44.99. Number 2. MagMount QI, a cool smartphone holder. You should definitely check out this fantastic smartphone accessory for your car if you love to travel. The Pitaka cell phone holder is not just a typical holder. Rather, it features a magnetic QI charging surface, which enables you to attach your phone to the holder while simultaneously recharging the battery on your phone. A simple phone holder may work just fine for your vehicle, but what will you do if you need to charge your phone while on the road? Those USB cables are disorganized and inconvenient, but if you have a wireless charging option, you can charge your device without stopping what you're doing. After you have attached your phone to the holder, the charging process will begin immediately, without needing any cables or buttons to be pressed. This magnetic holder may be purchased for the low price of $49.99. Number 1. DuoLink Speaker Buds. The DuoLink Speaker Buds is an excellent option for you if you are looking for a piece of music accessory that will make the experience of listening to music more vivid. The DuoLink dual speakers are the first speakers on the market that enables you to easily switch the audio source between earbuds, dual speakers, and the entire speaker. This functionality distinguishes this earbud from other standard earbuds designed for single use in the market. The auto switch function of DuoLink, which enables you to transfer audio into any device of your choice, makes it simple to transition from listening to music and sharing it with others. Using this feature, you will be able to switch between solo mode, dual mode, and party mode quickly and easily. You won't need to carry around a series of different devices now that you have these speaker buds, which cost $139.99. You can use this one device to listen to your own personal music or to set up the stereo sound so that you and your loved ones can watch a movie together. Which of these phone accessories will you go for? Let me know in the comments section below. That will be all for today's video. Thanks for staying tuned. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can always get to watch more amazing videos like this. See you in the next video.